Hey everyone, check this out. This is a 1994 GT Interceptor. This actually belongs to my friend Rick, who is my bike mechanic. He is the one that does a lot of the troubleshooting for a lot of the bikes that I've been showing on this channel. He is a genius when it comes to this kind of stuff. I can do a lot. I can do some stuff, but when it comes to me getting stuck at I don't know, seat posts get stuck, or I don't know, something difficult mechanically on the bike spectrum, he is the man. So this is actually in his personal collection. This is actually one of the first ones that the first one that he ended up putting together when he started collecting his BMX bikes. I'm going to put his link for his BMX museum, and you can check out the rest of the bikes he has. But this is actually one of my favorite ones. The first time I saw it, I was like, man, I really like this bike. And I think it's the blue combo with the chrome, and those blue gumwall tires are just, I don't know. I've always liked this combination. So this is it. If you have a 94 Interceptor, you want to compare it, this would be it. I know he ended up getting the forks separate, actually a lot of the stuff separate. He ended up buying the frame only at one point and got a lot of the stuff on, I think, Mercari and maybe eBay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this bike. This is 94 Interceptor. Those FYI, those pedals there are actually Odyssey. They're not GT, in case you're wondering. But yeah. So here it is. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. I'll be showing off the next bike pretty soon. See ya.